Friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Angel, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. This is what we're doing today. We are going to make some Ferrero Rocher nails. Of course, I don't have the chocolate anymore, but as soon as I seen it and I seen the sticker, I'm like, oh my god, I want to make those nails. And I did. So I'm going to show you how I made them. So I first sized out my tips, gave them a buff, put a layer of base coat. This I use Candy Lovers, and I have a coat of this chocolatey brown Beetles, and I'm going to put another coat on there. And this brown here, it's supposed to represent like the wrapper. And if you see on here, the gold, that's kind of like the gold on here. And of course, the gold crinkle here is supposed to look like the outside package. And I stole the sticker and put it on the nail. So we're going to need some chrome powder, a brown, of course, some glue to stick the sticker on. We're going to use some wave liner gel and some of this little gold tape. It's the first time I've used it. I don't think I've ever seen anyone use this tape. Let's see, where did I put it? I know we've all seen it before. It kind of comes in those cheapo kits that you can get, but there's like 10 rolls and they're all different colors of this tape here. Anyways, I found the gold, and this is what I'm going to use to make the stripes there. So I'm just going to put another coat of brown on here, and then we'll move on to the next step. Alright, so that's done there. So I'm going to use different fingers this time for the golds, but I'm going to just put this on for now, or first. So I think I'm going to choose to do the thumb and the ring finger on this hand for the chocolates. So, you know what, it's not like this is hard to do, it's just literally putting this on here, but I should have used a different stand than this one, and it's quite hard to kind of get in there at the right level. It's quite finicky to use. But I love the look. See, it doesn't take long. This is going to be the quickest set of nails. And I just realized this one here is too close. Alright, we got that on. So I actually put my top coat right now on here. I don't know why. I'm going to do the same thing. I was paranoid that these would come off. So I'm just going to throw on some top coat. Okay, I'm going to put that under the lamp. And then we're going to be on to the fun part. And that is we're going to make our chocolates. And this is really fun. I love doing it. And I think it looked pretty real. And actually this chrome powder, it was a pretty good match for color too. Yeah, pretty good. Now I did put 2 coats of top coat over this here, mainly because it is highly textured, and in this instance I wanted it to be smooth and just give the effect of the crinkling, sorry. Yeah. So let's get ready. And this wave liner gel is by, it's either Manya or Manja, and it's 3-dimensional UV LED, and it's called wave liner gel. And I just got this off of Temu. And it is kind of this texture here, which it's a solid, but it's like pretty, I don't know, viscous, I guess. Is that the right term? I'm not sure. So what I did is I took a little glob here on my brush, and I'm actually just going to cover the whole nail with this gel. And you don't need too much, but you do need it all on there. And I literally just took my brush and took the corner of it and kind of stippled it. So this is what I'm doing now. So kind of go around in circles. Just to rough up that nail so it has a rough kind of texture. Now when you are doing this, just be mindful of high peaks that you create. You will have to file that down because this does get really hard and really rough texture once it's dry. Okay, so I think I'm happy with that. So I'm just going to put that underneath the lamp and give that a cure. And then we're going to move on to our next nail. And we'll do the liner gel for that nail. So I just gave that a flash. It's not totally cured yet. So we'll start by painting the whole nail. And then we'll go in and texture it. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. So I'm going to put that under the lamp, and this time we'll give it a full cure. Right, so it just came out from under the lamp. Now what I did was just give it a little bit of a file if there's any particularly really sharp, like here, right here is a really stabby one there. So just knock that down a bit and just give it a little brush off. And now we're going to go in with our chrome powder. So we'll start with our thumb. And just make sure you cover the whole nail. And the chrome powder just makes the texture pop. And this wave liner gel is like a no wipe coat. So it makes the chrome shiny. There we go. Now we're going to peel our sticker off. And I think I'm going to put it on this snail. Now this sticker isn't really sticky, so I did use a little bit of this McCart glue here, rhinestone glue. Just a little thin layer. And just make sure that it's really even. It's stuck on there. And I just use my little lamp to give that a cure. And now we're just going to put on our top coat. And it was as easy as that. I don't know why I just put that on that nail. That was by accident. So just make sure that your sticker is completely flat. Okay, I'm going to put that under the lamp and I'm going to give it another coat and then we'll be back for the reveal. Okay friends, we're all done. And here's how they're looking. I think they're super cute. Who wouldn't want to have chocolate fingernails? They're so shiny and pretty. There you go. That's the end of this video. If you liked it, hit the like button. I hope that this inspired you to look around your house to see if you have anything that you can make some nails out of or be inspired by. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye friends.